Good afternoon, students. Now I am going to take the revision of the syllabus prescribed for your midterm examination. First, I will solve only Ekavakya of all the lessons. If I solve the questions part by part, you can revise all the questions without any tension or burden. Now, एकवाक्येन संस्कृतभाषायाम् उत्तराणि लिखतु. एकवाक्येन. You have to write the answer in full sentence and underline the answer so that evaluator will not find it difficult to locate your answer. First lesson is Purana Bharat. Kaha Bharatah iti uchyate. Who is called as Bharata? Manuhu Bharatah iti uchyate. Second one, Bharatavarshe kati kula parvataah santi. How many important mountains are there in India? Bharatavarshe sapta kula parvataah santi. There are 7 important mountains. Sapta, you have to underline the answer. Third one, Vishwasya Matarah Kaha. Vishwasya Matarah Sarvaha Nadyah. Pay attention. Sarvaha Nadyah. Fourth one, Adyapi Devaha Putra Janma Icchanti. Even today, where do gods wish to take birth? Adyapi Devaha Bharata Bhutale Janma Icchanti. ಅವರು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ್ಮ ತಾಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. Now, second lesson, ಪರೇಶಾಮಪಿ ರಕ್ಷ ಜೀವಿತಂ. Vikramaditya offers himself to Daman Bakasura and saves the life of Brahma. That is the Pareshamapi Raksha Jeevitam. And he advises Daman not to kill others and to protect others' life. And Daman, being impressed by the paropakara nature of Vikramaditya, he gives up the killing of human beings. That is the gist. Vikramaditya katham ka kathayati. Who tells Vikramaditya story? Vikramaditya katham Puthalika kathayati. Puthalika means doll. One doll tells the story of Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya katham deshantaram nirgataha. How did he go to other places? In what dress? Vikramaditya yogi veshena deshantaram nirgataha. He went out of the kingdom in the disguise of a saint, sage. Raja kimashritya ratrau sthitaha. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಆಶ್ರಯಿಸಿ ರಾಜ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ? ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಆಶ್ರಯಿಸಿದ್ದ? Where he had stayed at night? ರಾಜ ವೃಕ್ಷಮೂಲಂ ಏಕಂ ಆಶ್ರಿತ್ಯ. He took shelter under a tree. Ratrau sthita. He stayed at night. Vrikshamulam ekam ashritya. You have to underline the full word. Vruddha Pakshirajasya Nama Kim. What is the name of old king of birds? Vruddha Pakshirajasya Nama Chiranjeevi. His name is Chiranjeevi. G Dirgha, V also Dirgha. Paradukkhena ke atyanta dukkhina bhavanti. Who becomes sad by seeing other sorrows? ಬೇರೆಯವರ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರು ತುಂಬಾ ದುಃಖಿತರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಪರದುಃಖೇನ ಸಾಧವಃ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದುಃಖಿನಃ ಭವಂತಿ. ಬೇರೆಯವರ ದುಃಖ ನೋಡಿ ಸಾಧವ, ಗುಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. Now third one, nirvimarshahi bhiravaha. Timids are thoughtless. That is the story. One monk, he has a feeling of lust for the daughter of merchant who was the devotee of this monk. Then he told the merchant to keep her in a box, putting one lamp on it, and to set it sail in the Ganga. Then he told his disciples to bring the box. But in the meanwhile, one Rajakumar saw that box floating in the river of Ganga. Then he brought it through his servants, opened it, and he was mesmerized by the beauty of that girl. He married there only as per Gandharva Vivaha. Then he put one ferocious monkey inside the box and he set it sail as wind. And a monk's disciples took that box and handed over to monk. Monk was excited to see that box, opened the box, and that ferocious monkey came and tore his face, hands, everything. It tortured him. So the poet describes the monkey, his evil deed came in the form of a monkey. So whenever we do a bad things, we have to experience its bad fruits. Okay, that is the gist of the lesson. Here Bhiru, Hedi, is merchant because he blindly believed the words of monk. He did not think twice. He had no reasoning power. So he blindly believed the words of monk and he left his dear daughter float in the river Ganga. So Makandika Nama Nagari Putra Asti. Where was Makandika Nagari? Makandika Nama Nagari Janhavi Tate Asti. Janhavi means Ganga. Ganga Tate. You have to write Janhavi only. Makandika Nama Nagari Janhavi Tate Asti. Pravrajakaha Vanijah Graham Kimartham Agachat. Why did monk go to merchant's house? Why did he go? Pravrajakaha Vanijah Graham Bhikshartham Agachat. He went to merchant's house for alms. ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ. ಕೆ ನಿರ್ವಿಮರ್ಶಾಹ, ಯಾರು ಅವಿವೇಕಿಗಳು? Who are thoughtless? ಭೀರವಃ ನಿರ್ವಿಮರ್ಶಾಹ. Timids, ಅಂಜುಬುರುಕು, ಹೇಡಿಗಳು, ಅವಿವೇಕಿ. ರಾಜಪುತ್ರಃ ಮಂಜೂಷಾಯಾಃ ಅಂತಃ ಕಂ ನಿಕ್ಷಿಪತಿ. What does prince keep inside the box? Manjusha means box. Rajaputraha Manjushayaha antaha ghoram vanaram nikshipati. He keeps one ferocious monkey inside the box. Parivrajakasya avastham drishtva kaha jahasa. Jahasa means laughed. Who laughed? By seeing the condition of the monk. Parivrajakasya avastham drishtva sakalo janah jaha. All people laugh at monk. Now, fifth lesson, Maharana Pratap. Rana Pratapaha kasmin grame ajayata. ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ? In which village he was born? Rana Pratapah Kumbala iti grame ajayata. He was born in a village by name Kumbala. Rana Pratapasya pita kaha? Who is the father of Rana Pratap? Rana Pratapasya pita Dvitiyaha Udayasimha. You should mention Dvitiya. Dvitiya Udayasimha. Rana Pratapasya Ashwasya Nama Kim. What was the name of Rana Pratapa's horse? Rana Pratapasya Ashwasya Nama Chetaka. Its name was Chetak. Rana Pratapasya Purvajanam Amatyah Kaha? Who is the minister of Rana Pratap's ancestors? Rana Pratapasya Purvajanam Amatyah Bhama Shaha. Bhama Shaha ಬರೆದು ಮುಂದೆ ವಿಸರ್ಗ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಬಾಲಿಕಾಯಾಹ ಹಸ್ತಾತ್ ರೋಟಿಕಾಂ ಆಕೃಷ್ಯ ಕಹ ಅಧಾವತ್? Who ran away by snatching the roti from girl's hand? One cat, it came and snatched the roti from the daughter of Rana. बालिकायाः हस्तात् रोटिकाम् आकृष्य कश्चन अरण्यमार्जालः अधावत्. कश्चन, some अरण्यमार्जालः, wild cat. This is Maharana Pratap. Now 7th lesson. Sa Shanti. Shanti was a beautiful girl working in one garment, ready-made garment shop. One young man was attracted by her beauty. Daily he used to follow her till she goes inside the shop. Always he was thinking about her. Is she married? Who must be her fortunate husband? Whole day he was thinking about her only. One day that lady came to his office. He was shocked to see her in his office. Then he asked what she wants. Then she tells she is the wife of Sundar, and Sundar was from the village of this youth only, and because of the poverty he left his village and came to Bombay for work. This youth only had recommended him for some post in Bombay. Now this Shanti had, her name is Shanti, she had come to take his blessings on the first death anniversary. Her husband Sundar had died. When he had lived, they both wanted to come to this youth's house to express their gratitude because he had given the job. But that day did not come only, so she had come to take his blessings. That time, all the wicked, bad thoughts about this lady completely washed away from the mind of that young man. Now he thinks she is really a great cultured lady, Susamskrita Nari. So all his kilbish, bad thoughts from his mind washed away. Like that, this is a Shanti. That is Shanti, respectful Shanti. Sa Shanti kutra karyam karoti? Where does she work? Sa Shanti siddha vastra vikrayashalayam karyam karoti. That Shanti is working in Siddha Vastra Vikrayashala. Siddha Vastra, ready-made cloth. Vikrayashala, selling shop, garment shop. Siddha Vastra Vantu. Vikraya Shala. Shala means not school here. Shala means shop, ready-made garment shop. Shantyaha Patyuh Nama Kim. What is the name of her husband? Shantyaha Patyuh Nama Sundaraha. Her husband's name was Sundar. Sundaraha Kimartham Nagaram Agachati. Why did he come to the city? Saha Udyogartham Nagaram Agachati. He comes for the sake of job. Sundarasya Pita Kaha. Who is the father of Sundar? Sundarasya Pita Govindaha. Sundaraha Kiyat Paryantam Patitavan. Up to which standard he had studied? Sundaraha Dashama Kaksha Paryantam Patitavan. Dashama Kaksha. Ksha and Ya. Kaksha. Up to 10 standard he had studied. Now, Nitisara, 9th lesson. All Niti shlokas are given in that Nitisara. Ke dhanam icchanti, who want money. There are 3 types of people. Adhama, Madhyama, Uttama. Adhama want only money. Madhyama want money and respect. They want respect also. Uttama want only respect. Mana. Mana is only dhana for them. Ke dhanam icchanti, adhamaha dhanam icchanti. Bad people want only money. Kritam karma kam anugacchati. The past deed, to whom does it follow? ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಕರ್ಮ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹಿಂಬಾಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಕೃತಂ ಕರ್ಮ ಕರ್ತಾರಂ ಅನುಗಚ್ಚತಿ. Doer, naturally, it follows the doer. In the next janma, wherever that person is born, in whichever body he must have taken, but the past deed goes and attaches to him. Just as calf goes to its mother, even among 1,000 cows, it will never get confused. In the same manner, our past deed chases us wherever we may take birth, in whichever body we may be there, but that past deed comes and attaches to us. Kamadhenu guna ka. Kamadhenu, what is the speciality of Kamadhenu? Kamadhenu fulfills all our wishes. So, the feature of Kamadhenu, which is having Vidya, the knowledge will give everything to us. Kamadhenu guna Vidya. Sastriya kim rakshate. What is protected by a good lady? Good lady always protects her house. Sastriya graham rakshate. Arthan katham chintayet. How one should think of collecting the wealth? ಹೇಗೆ ಹಣ ಸಂಗ್ರಹದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅರ್ಥಾನ್ ಭಗವತ್ ಚಿಂತೆಯೇ. One should think of collecting the wealth like baka, like a crane. What does it do? On the bank of the lake, it stands with utmost concentration. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಏಕಾಗ್ರ ಚಿತ್ತದಿಂದ ಅದು ಸರೋವರದ ದಂಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Whenever small fishes come, it leaves. Let it go. Whenever big fishes come, all of a sudden it catches. Okay, like that, you should Live all small things, small enjoyments we should live. We should aim at greater ambition and greater happiness. So, Arthan Bhagavat Chint. For that, utmost concentration is needed for study. Understood? So, now this Ekavakya is over. Now, I will teach or revise remaining objective type questions in the next video. Now, I will conclude. Thank you, students.